Hello there. Today we're going to dive into the art of structuring a SaaS product team based on the different phases of development. Knowing how to assemble the right team is absolutely crucial for the success of your SaaS venture. Now let's break it down. At the very beginning, we have the product discovery phase, where a few key roles come into play. The product manager takes charge, shaping the product vision and collaborating closely with stakeholders to understand user needs and marketing opportunities. Alongside them, we join the mix, product designers. We bring creativity and craft a user experience and interface that the company can be proud of. Product designers often conduct in-depth user research. We create wireframes, prototypes, and ensure that the product meets the highest standards of usability and aesthetics. Here is a quick example that you can take a look. This is one prototype that I've been working on for one of our clients. And as you can see, we are connecting and creating all the interactions that we need to be able to perform and see exactly how the flows will look like in real life. So we have a bunch of screens connected between each other. You can see also many different flows and user journeys just to make sure that we get all that transition and connection. So whenever you click on it, whenever you're interacting with it, it looks and feels as smooth as you go. Then you have business analysts. These are the people who analyze market data, competitors, and customer feedback to pinpoint any essential business requirement, while data analysts can provide invaluable insights from user data and market research. As we move into the product design and planning phase, the product manager continues to refine the product vision, set clear goals, and create a comprehensive roadmap, working hand in hand with product designers. We ensure that the products align with the user needs and business objectives. For us at UserActive, for example, we rely on a fantastic toolbox that includes tools like Slack, Stand-Ups, Trello, and many more. With Slack, for example, we stay connected effortlessly, allowing for quick discussions and sharing ideas in real time. Our Stand-Ups keeps everybody on the same page. Together, these tools and more, we create an environment where teamwork thrives, making every project an enjoyable and successful journey. Next up, we enter the product development phase, where the coding heroes take the center stage. Software engineers and developers work closely with us to bring the meticulously crafted designs to life. Front-end developers translate the design into intuitive user interfaces, while back-end developers handle the technical infrastructure and data management aspects. In some cases, due to budget constraints, companies opt to combine these roles into one, known as a full-stack developer, where a single individual can fulfill both responsibilities, front-end and back-end. For me as a product designer, effective understanding and communication between us and developers seems like collaboration. Providing clear specifications, having regular meetings, and sharing design files and documentation, we ensure everyone is on the same page. This collaborative approach helps them bring the product to life smoothly, without confusion. It's a great process where our shared vision becomes a reality. As we approach to the grand product launch and support phase, additional roles become key players. Customer success managers work closely with customers, making sure that they're happy, assisting with onboarding, and identifying opportunities for growth and improvement. Technical support engineers step in to provide prompt assistance and troubleshoot any issues that arise. Marketing specialists develop strategies and promotional materials to support the product launch, while also sales representatives collaborate with the marketing team to close deals and expand the user base. As a product design agency, we are there with our clients throughout the first 3 stages and often continue to work with them in stage 4 after the launch to help continually improve the user experience. And there you have it. Structuring a SaaS product team requires a collaborative and iterative approach. Thanks again for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like, subscribe button to our channel for more valuable insights. We're excited to continue sharing our knowledge with you. Until the next time, happy team structuring and happy product development.